Hey guys, back again, Supersonic Sirens here at another Thunderbolt 1000T old civil defense, but funny thing is it's literally missing the blower and everything. It's just the head. Yeah, there's nothing here left. Just the head. Although this, actually, hold on. These things are absolutely massive. This looks like yeah, so this looks like the bridge, like the bridge pole between this pole where the actual head is at. Yeah. But yeah, the guts are just gone. That's kind of funny. But yeah, I guess that's where the power would go, and then their box is right there. But yeah, nothing much to say about this. I mean, I don't know. These things, like all these, there's multiple remaining. However, they're all like either they're actually fully intact or they're just left like this with the head, or who knows. But yeah, these have been here for this is like a 70-year-old system, maybe more, I don't know. 1000Ts and 1000s, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. These things are huge, man. Yeah. But yeah. Thunderbolt 1000T.